In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Connect. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Slack Connect is a fantastic feature that allows you to collaborate with external organizations directly within Slack. It simplifies communication and creates a seamless way to manage your interactions. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to Slack. To do this, head over to Slack's official website. Once you're there, find the option to sign in. The quickest method is to use your Google account, which saves you the hassle of remembering another password. Just click on the Google Sign In button, and you're in. Now that you're logged into your Slack dashboard, your next step is to access your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile picture, which is usually in the top right corner of the dashboard. Once you click on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Account Settings and select it. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings related to your Slack account. Once you're in your account settings, it's time to navigate to Connections. In the Settings menu, look for an option that's labeled Slack Connect Connections. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage all the channels you have shared with external organizations. This is where the real collaboration magic happens. Now, let's go ahead and share a channel. To do this, find the button that says Share Channel and give it a click. This initiates the process of inviting an external party to collaborate with you. It's straightforward, but make sure you take your time to fill out the details accurately. When you click on the Share Channel button, a form will pop up where you'll need to enter some necessary details about the channel you wish to share. This includes the channel name, a brief description, and most importantly, your preferred access controls. Access controls are essential as they dictate how much access the external party will have within the channel. Think about what information you want to share and what you'd prefer to keep private. Now here's a key point to keep in mind. Before sharing any channels, you need to ensure that you have the right administrative permissions. If you don't hold the necessary permissions, you won't be able to proceed with sharing the channel. So double-check with your Slack administrator if you're unsure. Once you've entered all the required details and adjusted the access controls to your liking, you're ready to send the invitation. Just click the Share button and your invite will be sent out to the external party. They'll receive a notification in their Slack, prompting them to join the channel you've shared. And that's it. You've successfully shared a channel using Slack Connect. This feature can greatly enhance your team's ability to collaborate with external partners, customers, or clients without having to switch between different tools. If you have any questions about using Slack Connect, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, for more helpful tutorials like this,